Hi guys, let me show you another solution for converting the rows, the columns into rows. So you have the earning parameters in columns here, and I want to put them in rows. Okay, so in the previous one I used the transpose tool, but I will show you another way to do it, and using the union tool and formula tool as well. So assuming that you have to transpose this one into row, to three blocks, and then what I do is I use the uh, formula 2, and I will make a two more column, which is the first column is the name, and I name this one Quan Sao, which is for sales, and then Van I will make it like sale. I put this one into double. Okay, so let me show you what it does first. So it will add the one in here, two more columns. I will do the same thing with the second column, and I will explain the whole process later after this. So this one I will do volume in here, and then I will change this one to vol vol in here, and then the third one I will do the same thing in here, and then I change this one into 3, which is ASP, and then I change this one to ASP itself. Okay, so if I run this workflow, I will have three tables. The first one is this one, in which this column will be matched to this column, and then the naming, the tagging here is just to say that this value belongs to the cell. The second thing, same thing, I will tag this column at vol, and then I match this column to this. Basically, they are the same thing. It's just like rename. And then the last one, this column match to this column. Okay, so now if I combine those three tables together with the union tool, I will have what I want, which is the three blocks of values in here, and I can actually sort them in the whatever the way I want. So for example, if I want to sort this one by uh, market, and each market has its own statistic, which is stat in here, and then I can do that as well. So there you go. So you have this one, and then now I see it's here a little bit annoying because I have those three guys in here. So if I want to, I can get rid of them all together by putting this select tool in here, and then I just deselect them, and then after this you will see the clean view like this. With so in here I have Indonesia, and then with the three parameters. Sorry, for 3 years with the three parameters. And then the same thing with Malaysia. Okay, so if I want to sort the other way around, which is to sort by the block by statistic, and then and then break down the statistic by the market, I also do the same thing. So in here, after the running, you can see the market Indonesia, uh, and then you can see the sale in 3 years. So if you want to put this one a little bit better in year by on year, it's like accounting year on year, then you can put the pivot table and then FY on top, and then the value. So market and statistic on top, and then on the left, and then the value on top. Okay, so in this one, I need to specify the sum in here, and then uh, you have this block, and each block break down by market, and yeah. Okay, so this is the second way to perform the rows to parameter is in column into rows, and then you can later you can pivot anything else. The problem with this method is if you have three parameters, is fine. You just duplicate and then connect, connect, connect. But if you have like 10 parameters, this one very headache. So I rather not using this one with a lot of parameters. For this particular one is okay. It's just three of them, and then it is good.